First off, let me tell you that I absolutely love the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic 47mm. My wrist is fairly big, so I am all in, especially with that physical rotating bezel, which is now thinner. It just looks amazing and sleek. I guess I could stop the video right here, but there is much more. As for battery life, we will test the Bluetooth version as well as LTE to see if the overheating issue has been fixed. And let's be honest, overheating has been a concern to many of us. So if you want to see all of that, please make sure to subscribe and enable that notification bell so we can help you to make the right decision when buying the new Galaxy Watch 6. Thank you. Sometimes I really wonder how Samsung approaches software updates, because we already have the new update out for the Galaxy Watch 6. Although the majority of people don't even have their watches yet or were unable to order them because they were out of stock, Samsung claims that the fragmentation of software updates are designed on purpose. Yes, on purpose, to prevent their servers from overloading. By fragmentation, I mean the inconsistency of which countries are getting it first and last, and this changes with every single update. When you look at how many people already received their Galaxy Watch 6 before the official release date, like in Spain, some people literally received their new watch one day after the Unpacked event, or other countries all over the world, people are getting all new products shipped to them daily. There's no doubt this is heaven for consumers, but a nightmare for Samsung. Samsung has no choice but rush out any updates, as those people could actually have sort of an unfinished One UI 5 and Wear OS 4 version on their Galaxy Watch 6, and this could really mean bad PR for Samsung once the word gets out. What is not bad PR is our passion for you guys, our loyal viewers. We are trying hard to stay sponsorship free by creating unique sportswear that will brighten your day. Check it out, it is free shipping worldwide. Let's have a look at a small print for this new update of the Galaxy Watch 6. When you carefully read what Verizon claims is included in this new update, it mentions new features are being delivered amongst other things. For example, this could mean that the new thermo app is now fully enabled. Once again, the update is being pushed out in selected countries only and includes performance improvements on your device and security patches and so on. By all means, please let me know in the comments below if you have already received the Galaxy Watch 6 and or the update. Hang on, any changes you may notice with regards to battery life or anything else, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Peace out.